A resume or portfolio is something that basically speaks for you even when you're not physically there. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to take your GitHub profile from looking like this to looking like this. Now I'm going to be covering all the steps you need to take to make your GitHub profile look this nice. Welcome to the summer edition of BuilderHacks 2022 in collaboration with Hub. Now BuilderHacks will be hosting a hackathon on the 26th of August with over $5,000 worth of prize pool. Now this includes the latest MacBook M2, the Apple smartwatch Series 7, and the Apple AirPods Generation 3. Now you'll also be meeting like-minded Gen Z programmers such as yourself, and it's going to be a great platform for learning and interaction with other programmers, building your community of programmers. So you're going to have the experience of a lifetime winning these amazing prizes as well. Now registration is completely free and is still open now. So visit their website www.hacks.buildergroup.com, and you can also check their Discord server for more information. So yeah, the links are going to be in the description, so make sure you check them out if you would like to win one of these amazing prizes. So yeah, thank you BuilderHacks for sponsoring today's video. And if you're excited for this type of tutorial, make sure you drop a like on this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you're new to the channel, I produce weekly videos based around web design, web development, and how to make money as a developer. So make sure you subscribe, and without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
So now if you don't have a GitHub account, you can simply go over to github.com and you can sign up real quick. Now when you're done signing up, it should lead you over to this page. This is the default profile you have. So now to make something like this that I have here is really easy. All you need to do is to go over to your repository, click on this repository tab right here, and it should lead you over to this section right here. So we're going to create a new repository. Now I'm going to try to delete this. Let's see if this can be deleted. Okay, no. So go over to new repository right here, and you're going to give it a repository name. Now the repository name should be the name of your account. Now the name of my account is called my hobby 100. So say code my hobby 100. So I've already used this repository name, but for you this repository name is going to be available for you, and when you click on this you can decide to add a description or not. Okay, so when you do that, I'm just going to make this called my hobby 1000, and I'm going to make it public, and I'm going to add a readme file. So click add readme file and create repository. So over here you can see right now that it's creating the repository for us, and now you can go over to this website right here. Now I'm going to be leaving this website link in the description for you. This is simply a platform where you can create your GitHub profile easily. So it's a generated template for you to use, so it's very easy. All you need to do is to type whatever you want to type in here, and you can copy and paste this in your GitHub readme file. So for me, I've already filled in the information, so you're just going to fill all this up. You write your full name, the subtitle, everything you need to add, your work experience, everything over on this section right here. Going to fill them yourself. You would also be adding some languages that you use. For me, I use Java, JavaScript, React, CSS, Sass, Tailwind, CSS, Bootstrap, HTML, Node.js. So if you're using all these other languages, do feel free to check them. Click the checkbox and add them to your skills. Then come over to the social section. Now you're going to add this section is basically for your GitHub link. You also have Dribble, you have Twitter, you have LinkedIn, you have Instagram, you have YouTube, and you can decide to select some add-ons to your readme file. So you can decide to showcase your trophies that you have on GitHub, your badges that you've earned on GitHub, and many more. So once you're done doing that, you're going to click generate readme. So this is going to download the readme file for you. So here is everything done. So it's generating the code for us from the template. So you can decide to copy this, or you can decide to download this. Anyone you like. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it over here. So I'm going to be editing this file, but for you it's going to be quite different from what I have here. So you're going to have like a generated template provided to you by GitHub, so you can clear that and paste what you have over on this section, copy it and paste it right here. So that has been done. Now my advice, so let's see how this looks like first. So scroll down and commit changes. Okay, so now this is how it looks. Now for the banner, which was in my profile, my readme file, that was done using Canva. So to create a banner, all you need to do is to go over to Canva, which is a free tool for creating all these types of banners, basically designs. So all you need to do is to go over to canva.com. You can sign up by creating an account over here. Select this and you create your account, and you are going to look for the type of design you want. For this tutorial, we're basically looking for a banner. So type in banner and click enter. So you're going to see a list of bunch of banners, and you can select any one that you like. So you can see there are different templates which you can use. All you need to do is to select the template that basically suits your taste, and you can edit it. And when you're done editing it, you go back to your readme file, and let's try to edit this again. We're going to try to edit this. So now we're trying to edit this because we want to add the image. So now always make sure you add the image to the top of your banner, because that's more presentable. So now I'm going to get the image which I've made, the banner which I've made. So I'm just going to copy this. So Ctrl+C, copy it, and go over to this section right here and paste it. So you can see it says uploading right here, and when we scroll down, you can see it's uploading the file. So now that it's uploading the file, we can't click commit changes until the file has been successfully uploaded. So now we have to wait for the file to be uploaded. Okay, so now the file has been successfully uploaded, and when we commit changes, you'd see that the banner appears in the readme file successfully. Okay, so now you can see the banner we have over here, and you can see the text that we made successfully. And we did this under like 7 minutes. So it's that easy to create a nice looking GitHub profile rather than having the default GitHub profile. Now you can share this profile with your friends, people who want to take a look at your own profile. There are different creative profiles right now. There's some with animation. So yeah, that's basically how to create a nice GitHub profile just like mine. So if you did enjoy this tutorial, make sure you drop a follow on my LinkedIn, my GitHub profile rather. I'll be leaving the link to my GitHub profile in the description, so you can check out all my repositories, grab the source code you might need for any project. Also make sure you drop a like on this video if you enjoyed this type of content, and also subscribe and turn on post notifications for more tutorials like this. So without further ado, that'll be all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.